I just installed the UniFi G6 Entry and honestly, it was awesome. But there was one missing piece. When someone presses the doorbell, how do you actually hear it from inside your house? This is the UniFi PoE Chime, and today I'm going to add it to my G6 Entry setup. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Builds.
What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jose and this is DR Builds. I do DIY, smart homes, and real UniFi installs, meaning no flops, no fake sponsors. Let's get this chime installed. This is the UniFi PoE Chime. It's basically the missing indoor doorbell speaker for the UniFi Protect. And just like the G6 Entry, it is powered by Ethernet. No batteries, no Wi-Fi, no subscription, just pure PoE goodness. It's like UniFi said, let's make a doorbell system, but for people who hate charging things. Without a chime, your doorbell notifications are basically just phone alerts. But if your phone is on silent, or you're in the garage, or upstairs, or downstairs, you might miss it completely, and suddenly, you open your door 2 hours later like, oh, UPS came? Cool, my package is here. This fixes that. The installation is super easy, and all you need is an Ethernet cable connected to a PoE switch. I'm placing this in a central spot inside the house, so when someone rings the doorbell, I hear it everywhere. As soon as you plug it in, it powers up immediately. That's one of my favorite things about PoE. One cable gives you power and data. Clean, reliable. And it makes me feel like a network engineer, even though I am Googling half of this stuff. I was looking to see where I was gonna install the chime. I have this outlet right here on the hallway between the rooms, and also I have my old doorbell that never worked while I was here in the house. So the other option I had was to install it right over here. So I decided that I think the best place to install it will be right over here, because I have a switch right over here. I can use the PoE feature and just run a cable from there all the way here. The best way to make a hole on the drywall is by using a jigsaw or a knife specifically for drywall. Also, I was able to sand the wall because I had to paint that portion of the wall. So one of the things that I have done in the past is using this thing for wall texture. However, this stuff, it was in my garage. When I tried to spray it, even though this is a brand new bottle, you can hear that it has some fluid inside. It's not spraying. So this is a piece of crap. And I found a solution that can assist me with the texture without having to use this stuff. So what I did is that I made my own mud right here, and I'm gonna be using a sponge, a piece of sponge, and just like grab it in, create my own texture with it. Sometimes you have to add a little bit more water, but it does look like this is a way cheaper alternative, because those bottles are usually like $15. But if you do it like this, that will save you some money. So I went ahead and stopped by Home Depot to match the color of the wall, because I forgot that I didn't have the color of the paint. They did a great job matching the color of the wall. One thing that I wanted to share with you guys is if you're making a hole like this on the wall, please make sure that you make it on a hollow place, because it's going to be extremely difficult to install this mount. So basically all you have to do is to plug it in. You see the light over here? This needs to match with this. Twist, hear that click? This is the most satisfying part of it. Now let's add it to the UniFi Protect. I'm opening the Protect app, and right away the chime shows up as a new device ready to adopt. I click adopt, give it a name, and within a few seconds it's connected. UniFi adoption is honestly so satisfying. It's like catching a Pokemon. Alright, moment of truth. So let's see how this turns out. Now, when someone presses the G6 entry, I get a notification on my phone and I hear the chime instantly inside the house. So a few settings on the menu. You can also customize the volume, pick a different chime sound, and even assign it to a specific doorbell if you have multiple entries. This scales really nicely, which is great in case you want your front door to sound classy and your back door to sound like chaos. So my honest opinion is, who should buy this? If you're running a G6 entry, this is basically a must-have. If you want a fully wired smart doorbell setup, this completes the system. This is for people who hear wire, Ethernet, and go. Overall, this was one of the easiest UniFi upgrades ever. The G6 entry is great on its own, but adding the PoE Chime makes it feel like a complete doorbell system. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more UniFi DIY smart homes builds, and let me know what UniFi device I should install next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next build.